What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I know it's been a minute since we've uploaded. But pretty much I got some news. I pretty much got rid of the Blazer. I ended up doing an even trade with a guy. I couldn't pass up the deal. He had hit me up on Facebook and pretty much offered me a car that I couldn't pass up, man. And since I don't have kids, I was like, fuck it. So I ended up getting a 2002 C5 Z06. I'll throw up all the mods it has, man. It has a few mods from what the guy sent me. It is cam. It's got a BTR Stage 4 cam. It's got a few things done to it. It does have its defects, though. It is a 2002. The paint, not sure how good it'll show on camera, but the paint is kind of messed up. The clear coat's coming off. Has some Mickey Thompsons in the rear. I believe it was boosted, so he did have a high ram intake on it, so he had to cut a hole in the hood. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the inside. It does have, I'm not sure what brand seats these are. I think they're just some cheapo bucket seats, but I mean, they look nice. You got the harness in the back. It's got a short shifter on there. He did have a aftermarket stereo in there. So yeah, I'm gonna crank her on for you boys, let y'all hear it, see what she sounds like, and I'll pop the hood here in a few.
Gonna pop the hood. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but
yeah, it's got the carbon. It's I believe it's hydro dip. It's got the hydro dip, fast intake. It's got the valve covers also dipped, and we got the AFE intake. It's got headers, exhaust. Yeah, man, I do have some more plans for it. I do want to obviously fix all these the clear coat and shit like that. Looks like shit right now. So my brother, looks like it has mange. So yeah, I mean, it even has it on the top. Look, it's got it right here on the side. It's got it right on top. But I'm gonna get all that painted black. I'll show you all that on another video. But yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you guys. This is I really don't even know what else I could do to the car, honestly. It's got everything I pretty much would want to put in it, as far as cam and a few bolt-ons on there. So yeah, buddy. Alright, boys, so yeah, pretty much that's really all I wanted to show y'all, the new little toy. So hope you guys like it. And as well, we do have some plans for my brother's Silverado. We got some goodies already in for it, so y'all be on the lookout for that. We'll keep y'all updated on that truck. Nothing major like the Tundra, but something for daily, you know what I'm saying? But that's it, boys. Alright.